Today we have a 2017 Dodge Laramie 1500. 15,000 miles, comes with balance of factory warranty. See, it has a nice big chrome grille, has a chrome bumper, high definition headlighting, chrome backing, and you see it has the big 20-inch tires and wheels. Do get the chrome rims with the Laramie package. 20-inch combination tire and wheel. Around 3/4 tread on the tires. They're Goodyear Wranglers. And your badging, you see it does have the V8 HEMI engine. Does have the chrome wrapped mirrors, chrome door handles. You also get power driver and passenger seating. Has the leather twin bucket seats with the fold down center console. See, there's a black on black interior. Has some wood grain on the door panels. As you can see, it kind of breaks everything up a little. Has a little chrome trim. Look back here, it does have the bench rear seat. It splits. And you need a flat surface to haul something back here. This does unfold. If you fold that up, you see you do have a subwoofer, and you have your tools and everything under there, your jack and all that. Do have dual cup holders over there in the center. Center folds down. You have 2 more cup holders or an armrest. Both rear sides have this little compartment that opens for additional storage down in there. Rear tires, about the same, around 3/4 tread. Bring you around the back, see the chrome step bumper. Does have the tow receiver package, dual exhaust, all your badging. Does have the lock for the tailgate and your rear backup cam. And nice spray and bed liner. Show you the other side of the back. Up on the roof, it does have the shark fin. The antenna for your satellite radio. Kind of resembles a shark fin. In the driver's door, you have your power locks, windows, mirrors. Just inside the door, you have your headlight controls, your dimmer switch for your interior lighting, and again, your power 2-way memory seating. And I'll light the dash up to show you. Current mileage, 15,171. Does have your audio and voice recognition controls, along with your cruise control, and you can shift your gears up and down manually right on your steering wheel here along your column. Does have the dial shifter for your transmission. Below that, you have your 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and even further below that, you have a 12-volt power source, and you have the big display screen for your audio. You can have your seating controls and everything on there. Heated steering wheel, backup cam, mirror dimmer. You also have air conditioned seats, which is nice with summertime just around the corner. And you can control all those settings right on here. Or if you choose to, down below, there's the buttons that you can push to do it that way, whichever you prefer. And you do have your settings for your heating and air conditioning here with your audio settings. Center console, you got 3 cup holders. Nice deep console there, plus the seat folds up if you need to haul someone else there. And the bottom of the seat also folds up, so you have additional storage underneath that. And up here is your button for your power rear sliding window. And of course, you have your Laramie badging splattered throughout. And you have an additional power source here. It's a 115-volt power source. It's a very nice clean truck. No smell of pets, smoke, anything like that. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up and give you a look at the engine. Like I mentioned earlier, you will see it does have the 5.7 V8 HEMI. Nice and super clean underneath there. And I don't need to tell any of you Dodge guys out there, that's a really sought after engine. Get tons of power with it. It's pretty well fine-tuned anymore. Your fuel economy is pretty decent with that also. So you have the best of both worlds. The last thing I'm going to do on this video is do one last walk around. See if we can point out any blemishes. There's a scuff about an inch by an inch on the passenger side front bumper, along with a tiny ding. It's probably marble sized. It's really hard to see with the camera. There, I think I caught it. It's right up by the headlight. It's a really nice color combination on this truck with metallic brown with the chrome accents. Really sets it off pretty nice. Couple stone chips here on the chrome grille. Very small. And that's about all I have to show you on here. It's a pretty clean truck. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look or maybe taking a test drive, feel free to give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.